Mastering patience. Learn to count to 10. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase, count to 10. This isn't just about numbers. It's a powerful tool for patience and self-control. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily life. When we say, count to 10, we're referring to the simple act of counting from 1 to 10 in order. It's often one of the first things children learn in English-speaking countries when they're starting to understand numbers. But count to 10 isn't all about math. It's a phrase that's packed with meaning. It's commonly used as a strategy to manage emotions, particularly anger or frustration. The idea is that by taking the time to slowly count to 10, you give yourself a moment to cool down and collect your thoughts. You might hear someone say, before you react, count to 10. It's advice that suggests you should pause and give yourself time to think before responding to a situation that has upset you. It's a form of mindfulness that can help prevent impulsive reactions. Let's try it together. When something bothers you, take a deep breath and slowly count to 1 to 10 in your head. With each number, imagine letting go of a little bit of your stress. By the time you reach 10, you'll likely feel more in control. Remember, count to 10 isn't just for kids, it's a handy tool for adults, too. We hope this explanation helps you use the phrase to your advantage. Stay calm, stay thoughtful, and we'll see you in the next video.